Kevina here with Passport Snob to share another pandemic trip idea. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you ain't new to this, thanks for watching and hope you all enjoy. The second pandemic trip idea we will be highlighting is glamping in a treehouse. Yes, glamping is a word. Treehouses are a perfect pandemic trip because they offer social distancing at its best. Whether a solo trip or with a few friends, it's just you, the treehouse, and nature.
The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
Treehouses aren't just for summer getaways. Winter trips offer moments of snuggling around a cozy fire to read a book, to drink, meditate, or even reminisce. So it's not too late to get a trip in this year if you're itching to go somewhere. There are tree houses available all around the world and domestically scattered across the US, from Connecticut to Washington and southern states such as Arkansas, Georgia, and North Carolina. This is glamping, so let's talk amenities. At the original Treehouse Cottages in Eureka Springs, Arkansas, the Lofty Lookout specifically, I want to share some things that you can expect. There's a double-sized heart-shaped jacuzzi, a separate bathtub with shower, stone fireplace, a king-size bed. There's a love seat in the living room area. It's a fully furnished kitchenette dining area. There's a chandelier. You got HD TV, Blu-ray player, speakers, Wi-Fi. There's heated hardwood floors, and there's a private wraparound deck with a patio grill. Talking about camping in luxury, sign me up. How to find a treehouse. Glamping Getaway offers 41 treehouse destinations, and Airbnb offers about 550 listings. I'd recommend following the Planning a Trip series outline that we've shared, see that thumbnail there, to help you plan your trip or even figure out where to start. Consider what's important to you. Do you want a lot of activities to do in the surrounding area, or do you want pure isolation? How much money do you have available to spend? How much money do you even want to spend? Use this information to help determine your destination and transportation there and how you will get around. The original Treehouse Cottages I mentioned earlier, they offer rates from $179 to $200 per night, depending on the type of treehouse experience you want. Depending on where you live, can you drive or do you need to fly? What's the cost of driving? Is it cheaper to fly? Are you comfortable even being in the airport and on an enclosed plane so that you have no choice but to drive? Consider these things when you're looking at the different glamping treehouse options. Hope this was inspirational in deciding on a trip to take during the pandemic. Check back next Saturday for another trip idea. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Also, follow us on your social media platform of choice for other culture experiences and more. I'm out.